remove bracket from this expression. Minus 9y into bracket 3 minus 8y. Solution. We have minus 9y into bracket 3 minus 8y. Now in this case, the multiplier is minus 9. And this is a what? Is a negative multiplier because of the minus sign here. So in this case, the multiplier here will multiply the first term and will also be used to multiply the second term. Also, take note. So in this case, we have minus 9y times 3, multiplying the first term. Then we have minus at the middle, don't forget. Minus, then the multiplier will also multiply 8y. So we have this to be minus 9y times 8y. The next thing to do is to multiply these together. Minus 9 times 3, we have what? Minus 27. So we have minus 27y. And here, minus times minus is what? That is plus. And 9 times 8, 72. Y times y is what? Y squared. So the answer is minus 27y plus 72y squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.